Okay, on my 2013 Dodge Ram, you can tell that the tint that came on the mirror has just started to wear out. This is 2025, and it looks like that on both sides. It's discolored on the outside, and it's just shrinking. I need to take this off and order some new ones. All right, I got replacement mirrors on Amazon. Pretty easy to find. It was like, I don't know, 30 bucks for two. I've seen a video on how to do this. You just push this down and then this pops forward. You just gotta be careful not to break the glass, but there's little metal things in here that'll release. Let me do that and I'll record again, hang on. All right, so you can see these little metal tabs. They just grab on back here. I made the mistake of, I put one on the driver's side and I made the mistake of trying to put them in these little holes. They don't go in that hole when you put them back on. They stay straight and they clamp on up here on this little connector. So anyway, now that's pulled forward, you can look down in here and this just lifts off those little tabs, and then it's got a couple of wires to undo because this one's a heated mirror. So let me just pull it off the tabs. All right, you can see these little tabs that are built on the bottom. They just slide into here, they pop out. I'm gonna undo this wire and these wires, and then I'm just gonna plug the other one back in. All right, so you got a left and right. You can just move the wires where they need to be to separate them. You did use some needle nose pliers to pull them off because it was kind of tight. But you can see that glass is done. All right, so your new glass also comes with new little metal plates. And you just slide those into place back here, match them up to what it looks like on the other one. And they only slide into place one way. You'll hear it snap whenever it's firm in. It should be all the way back on both sides. All right, when I go to put this back on, I'm gonna put these in that groove. I'm gonna tilt it back. I'm gonna plug these wires back up, and then I'm gonna push it into place until it's done. Okay. All right, so there's that one. Looks good. There's that one. Looks good. So here on a rainy day, I did it myself in, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 minutes. Didn't know nothing about it other than watching a YouTube video like you're watching right now. The clips on the top, I can tell you spread them apart because they need to go in the flanges that are on the top side. As they push through, there's a little nub on the outside that will touch those. The one on the other side, I had to kind of bend it out a little bit. And you can tell if it's secure or not by just touching it to move, you know, and if you move it down and it pops out, then it's not secure. I just spread those out a little more, made sure they were inside of it, pushed the front forward till I heard it go click, and then I knew I was good to go. So yeah, like I said, I got those mirrors on Amazon. I think the two of them were 30 bucks for the pair. You just got to make sure you put it in the right model and whatnot. I did have extra wire that went with the old ones that I didn't need for this one. But we're gonna call that done. Yeah, I'm talking a lot, so my mouth does the thing. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope this helps somebody out there. Again, this is my 2013 Dodge Ram, and this is 2025 right now, and I'm still loving it. It's still so pretty. So pretty. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. I know what that extra wire is for now. That extra wire was for the blinker that's built into the mirror. Oh well. I guess I'll just drive it, and if it bothers me, I can replace it. But I mean, I got blinkers on the front and I got blinkers on the back, and I don't know that I need them on the mirror too, but whatever. I guess I should have researched that a little more. I'm not gonna send these back. I'm happy with that. That'll work. That'll do the job. So anyway, thanks for watching, y'all.